Hi, welcome back to our No Skincare Academy. If it is first time joining me, my name is Dr. Noah Osini, and today we are going to be looking at how to formulate black soap without pounding. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Put on the notification bell. It helps me get more visibility and motivates me to produce more videos. So now let's begin. It all starts with the innovative African black soap powder. With the African black soap, you do not need the stress of pounding. It's almost impossible to use the customized traditional African black soap gel to fully incorporate herbs, extract, powders, and those your lovely humectants. But with African black soap powder, in less than 5 minutes, you get your African black soap all fully customized. You can use this powder to make either a gel form, a paste, a liquid consistency, any kind of consistency that suits your customer need, and it goes a little goes a long way because it is fully dehydrated. You don't need to add any preservative as long as no water was added. It has all the benefit of black soap, the difference that it comes in an easily customized form. The first step you need to get your black soap ready is to mix all your dry ingredients. I did not share the dry ingredients I used here because I was making an African black soap for sale, but I decided to be kind enough to share my secret with all of you. So I have all my dry ingredients here. You can see some of the ingredients. You can see charcoal, activated charcoal. I have herbal extracts of different kind. You can see sulfur. The sulfur is difficult to blend in, so I had to sterilize my hands and use my hands to physically blend the sulfur in. So I'm going to massage all the dry ingredients to form a uniformly homogenized paste or a powder. So I have in my bowl a premix of all my liquid ingredients. I'll be adding gradually the dried powders and the ABS to make a paste. This I can do with my hands and a spatula without pounding. I will continue to add in small quantity the blended powder until I've added everything, and then I will massage the ingredients together to form a uniform homogenized paste. So you can see a beautiful paste. All this I made without using a mortar or pestle. I can leave it for like 24 hours. I did that actually to allow full blending. Then I packaged. So the next question that comes to mind is, how do I get the African black soap powder? It's easy. You can buy it from suppliers. There are innovative suppliers that now know that it's getting to the extent where people do not pound soap anymore. If you do not have a supplier, you can chat me up. I can help you get an existing supplier, or you can buy my course. I have a course package everything just for 3,000 naira. You're going to learn how to make black soap from scratch, how to customize your African black soap from scratch or using existing black soap you can find in the market. Your African black soap, Nigerian type or the Ghana type, can be used to make your African black soap powder for your customization.